Hi folks, Sarah here from Mojo Mingle, and today I'm at the Brisbane Ranges and I've invited a bunch of friends to go for a walk with me. We have met at Stony Creek picnic area, and let me just remind myself, we are doing the Ted Errey Nature Circuit, and the information board says that it's about 8.3 kilometres, and so it should take us about 3 hours. For the return journey. They do say that it's a difficult track and to follow the blue markers, so I wanted to show you what to expect if you were to join us on a nature walk here, or if you were to come and enjoy the trail yourself. Okay, so we've been walking for only about 20 minutes and I just slipped on the path coming down because we've had a bit of drizzle. So just be careful as you're walking because we don't want anyone falling over. I'm not entirely sure, maybe an hour and a half, and we're almost ready to stop for a picnic break at Nelson Point Lookout, I think it's called. So yeah, let's go get some lunch. Alright, so we've just finished our walk and it's taken us about 3 hours and 5 minutes, but we did stop for a picnic which went for about half an hour. It was just over 9 kilometres, the trail for us, so I think we may have got lost at one point and had to double back, which add a little bit of distance onto the walk, but otherwise, yeah, it was a challenging walk. I will put a little graph up now which shows that there was quite a steep walk that we began with, and then it was fairly flat, and then at the very end again it was quite steep. I think we walked in a anti-clockwise direction, and yeah, we all sort of agreed that was probably the best way to walk it. Hopefully I will see you at the next walk that we do here in the Brisbane Ranges. Otherwise, yeah, come and enjoy it yourself. Alright, take care guys. Cheers. That we had to walk up at the beginning, and the child in the background. So, where did he say we're going? Stony Point.
Nelson Lookout.
Nelson Lookout. Okay.